You're listening to the Spiritual Health Experience.
This 5-minute relief can be used anywhere, at any time, to release any stress instantly. So let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths in and exhaling all the air from our lungs each time. Each time we breathe in slowly through the nose, feeling the cold air pass the tip of our nostrils, noticing it pass through our throat, and be aware of it filling up our lungs. Once our lungs are full, hold for 3 seconds and feel it filling every cell of your body with calm, relaxing energy. As we exhale slowly through our mouth, we are aware of the warm air passing our lips and our lungs and chest falling and contracting. As the air leaves our body, we feel it carrying all the stress from our muscles and joints. Feel your jaw, shoulders and facial muscles all relaxing and dropping into a calm position. Now imagine yourself lying in your bed. Each part of your body is filled with balloons. One in your right leg, one in your left leg, another in your right arm, and another in your left arm. One in your chest, one in your neck and head. In each of these balloons is a release valve. On your legs, they are at the top of your knee. In your arms, they are on the inside of your wrists. Your torso, it is in the center of your chest. And on your head, it is in the center of your forehead. Firstly, open the valve on your right leg and feel all the air leaving your leg, and with all the stress you've built up in it. See your leg collapse flat onto the bed. Next, do the same with your left leg. Feel the air and the stress leaving your leg, and see your leg fully collapsed on the bed in front of you. Now move to your right arm and open the valve on your wrist. Again, feel all the air and with all the stress leaving your arm, and watch your arm collapsing flat onto the bed beside you. Again, do the same with your left arm and watch your arm collapse and feel the relief as the air and the stress leave your arm. As we move to your chest, let's again go back to our breath. Take a long, deep breath in, noticing the air passing through our nose, down our throat, and filling our entire chest. Now as we exhale, open the valve of your chest, and as the air leaves, watch how your torso collapses flat onto the bed and all the stress has left. As we take one final deep breath, we fill our head with relaxing energy, and we release the valve on our forehead. We are aware of all the air leaving our head and neck, and them slowly collapsing onto the bed. Notice how relaxed and calm you now feel, how you have released all the stress. Be aware of that feeling and sensation, and take it with you for the rest of the day. Have a lovely day.